Hey there, are you frustrated because the chosen app is not working on your Roku device? Well, you've come to the right place. In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the chosen app not working on Roku with some simple and effective solutions. So let's dive right in and get your favorite content streaming seamlessly once again. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's make sure that your internet connection is stable, as this could be a primary reason why the chosen app isn't working on your Roku device. Restart your router. Unplug your router, wait for about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This often resolves minor connectivity issues. Test connection on Roku. Go to Roku settings and select network. Then choose check connection to assess the internet connection. If there's an issue, try connecting to a different network if available. Step 2. Update the chosen app and Roku software. Keeping your apps and devices up to date is essential for smooth performance. Here's how to ensure both the chosen app and your Roku device are running the latest version. Update the chosen app. Highlight the chosen app on the Roku home screen. Press the star button on your remote and select Check for Updates. Any available updates will automatically download and install. Update Roku software. Navigate to Settings, then System, and choose System Update. Select Check Now to update your Roku to the latest software version. Step 3. Clear Roku cache. Clearing the cache can solve many app-related issues, including problems with the chosen app on Roku. Reboot Roku device. Navigate to Settings, then System, and choose System Restart to reboot your Roku device. Clear cache manually. Another method is pressing the home button 5 times, the up arrow once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice on your remote. Your device will restart, which clears the cache. Step 4. Reinstall the chosen app. If you're still facing issues, try reinstalling the chosen app. Remove the app. On the Roku home screen, locate the chosen app icon, press the star button on your remote, and select Remove Channel. Restart Roku. Go to Settings, then System, and choose System Restart. Reinstall the app. Once your Roku restarts, go to the Streaming Channels store, search for the chosen app, and reinstall it. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the steps above resolve the issue, it might be time to reach out for support. Chosen App Support. Visit the Chosen App's official website for specific help or contact their customer support. Roku Support. If you suspect the problem might be with your device, the Roku support team can provide additional troubleshooting guidance. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to fix the chosen app not working on Roku and get back to enjoying the content you love. Remember, to ensure a stable internet connection, keep your software updated and don't hesitate to reach out to support if needed. Keeping these tips in mind will not only help with the chosen app, but can enhance your overall streaming experience on Roku. Enjoy your shows and happy streaming.